Welcome back. I'm Derek Watkins from Mckenzie Friend Consultants. And you may have noticed something different from my last video. And yes, I have grown a goatee. Probably an old life crisis situation. Anyway, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing how the court decides on your financial remedy settlement. Now, I must say that it's always best during proceedings if, with the assistance from the court, the parties can come to an agreement on the financial settlement themselves. Otherwise, the court will decide for you, and the outcome may be worse than what you're considering, and possibly will be worse. So, how does the court decide on what your settlement will be? Well, many people think it's a 50-50% split, and as I've covered in my previous videos, that is a major misconception. Yes, the judge will start from the basis of a 50-50 point, and then the judge will apply what is known as the Section 25 factors to then determine on what is a fair and reasonable settlement for both parties. There are 10 Section 25 factors, and I'll be covering the first 5 on the video today, and then the following 5 videos on my next video. The first factor is the resources of the parties. And by that I mean the financial resources of the parties. And that includes things like investments, savings, the family home, other properties, maybe businesses, the income, and your mortgage capacity. The second factor are the needs of the parties. So what are your housing needs? What are your income needs? And what are your retirement needs? And your needs will be impacted by things like maybe housing the children. The third factor is the childcare responsibilities. The judge will look at how the parties care for the children and who is responsible for the day-to-day needs of the children. The court will look at the age and the needs of the children, and if one particular party's childcare responsibilities impact their earning capacity. The fourth factor is the standard of living. That is, the standard of living enjoyed during the marriage, and if it's reasonable and possible for that standard of living to continue in the future. And the fifth factor to take into consideration is the age of the parties and how that impacts their future earning capacity and their retirement plans. Well, that's it for today. I'll be covering the Section 25 factors 6 to 10 in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, if you need help with your financial case or any other case, and you live in the south of England, then book my free consultation by completing the inquiry form on my website, which is www.mckenzieFriendConsultants.co.uk. Bye for now, and I'll see you very soon on my next video.